In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. Even if you're broke, you've got no money, you're a beginner, and you haven't got $1 to start with. So this is a totally free method. So you'll want to watch till the end to make sure you get all the steps in place, because you really can make money online when you're broke. And you don't need experience. You're not going to need a website. You're not going to need a blog. And we're going to use totally free methods. Now, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the algorithm. Give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon. It just helps the video get found by more people. Now, if you're just starting and you've never done anything like this before, you've come across one of the best methods at the moment, at the time of this video, to get started with and make money. I've been online for over 10 years now. Never made money for all that time, but I'm here to tell you now that you can make money online. It is possible. Now, as I mentioned, this is a totally free method. You're not going to need a website. You're not going to need a blog. You're not going to need a sales funnel. You're not going to need a landing page. You're not going to need an autoresponder. This is totally free. So if you're technically challenged, this is the model for you. So throughout the video, there's certain steps to follow. Follow these simple steps and you'll go from being a complete beginner to someone that knows what they're doing and being able to make money online. And once you get your first dollar and you're making money, you just replicate what you're already doing, and then you grow your income. All right, so we need to find a product that we're going to promote. We don't have to create a product, and to do that we're going to have to find an affiliate network. Now, there are several affiliate networks. There are many actually, but in today we're just going to focus on one affiliate network, and that network is ClickBank. So here we are at ClickBank. I haven't seen that pop up there before. So this is the front page of ClickBank. Now, if you're not a member of it, just go up here, sign up. It's pretty straightforward. It's free to sign up. What you will need to do is put in some information. There are a couple of countries, there are a handful of countries that, like Nigeria and Ghana, and some of these countries where you cannot be an affiliate. If that's the case, go over to this website called Digistore24. They both sell very similar and in some cases the same product. Digistore24 started off in Europe. ClickBank started off in America over 20 years ago, and Digistore24 is now moving into the American market as well. So either way, go and sign up. It's pretty straightforward. With Digistore24, they accept all countries. So you might want to check that out if you're one of the precluded countries. Now, what we call this is affiliate marketing, which is just basically where you've got three parts in the cog. You've got ClickBank, which is where the product sits. They do all the promoting. They do all the collecting of the payments. They also do the distribution of the payment to the affiliate and to the vendor owner. Pretty straightforward. So they do all that on the vendor's behalf, and they pay the commissions to the affiliate. So if you have a look over here, there is many categories down the left-hand side. If you go to Digistore24, they've got much the same categories, and inside of each of these there are thousands of products to choose from. And of course, if you're not happy with the products that are on these two sites, but I think you'll find you will be, there's others. There's Warrior Plus. There's another one called JV Zoo. And if you're really stretched to find a product, go into Google and just do a search for ClickBank alternative or alternative to ClickBank, and that'll bring up a lot for you. The other alternative is you've got a particular product that you're interested in, and they've got a website. Go to the bottom of their page and have a look. There may be a link for an affiliate. Many products have got affiliate program associated with it. So just go down to the bottom of the page and have a look. So let's just have a look in e-business and e-marketing. it'll bring up many products. And if you just have a look there, there's a range. Let's say I clicked on the magnifying glass here, the search, and you'll see Okinawa flat belly fix. If you were to promote that, you get $127, $50 for this, $20 for that, $131 for that, $110 for that. And there's products there that pay much more and much less. Now, if you were going to promote one of these products, let's say you wanted, so you see the promote button here. The other thing that's interesting, try and find a product usually that has an affiliate page, because on that affiliate page they will give you the resources. Sometimes they give you email swipes, not that we're going to need email swipes, but they'll give you banners, they'll give you articles, they'll give you all sorts of things. And so to promote this, all we do is we click on promote. Now I'm not logged in. If you're logged in, it will pre-populate with your nickname, and so I've just paused this and typed in. Now, tracking ID you don't have to worry about at this time. What it is, if you're doing traffic from multiple sources, you might say you're doing traffic from YouTube, you might put YouTube there. So at the end here it would have a question mark TID equals YouTube. It's just a way of tracking where your, which source of traffic is delivering you the goods. And so this is the link here that you will be promoting. This unique link here is what determines is how they determine who sent the traffic to them. When people click on this, it's coded to you, and when they buy, you get paid. So, choose something that you've got a bit of an interest in. See if you can find something that you've got some interest in or that you like. And so for the purposes of this video, we're going to go into games and gaming. So if you have a look in here, disregard this one up here. But these are the sorts of products that we can promote. These are the sorts of commissions that you can make. $114, $112. Digi World of Warcraft. Sorry, someone doing a burnout out the front. So when you look at the commissions, like this one here, you got 2 sales a day, there's your $200 commission. 2 sales a day, there's your $200, $250 commission. And it's not that hard once you follow the traffic methods and that I'm going to talk about shortly. And just scrolling down a little further, here's another one, Hayden's World of Warcraft Secret Gold Guide, $267. So 1 sale a day, and you'll be at $250 a day. Would that change your life? $250 a day. All right, so let's just have a look at this. I'll open it with another link and have a look at the sales page. So as you can see, it's a pretty smart looking site on the game. Now, all you would do is the link that we got here before is promote that. And when somebody clicks on that link and purchases, you get credited with the sale, and of course you get paid. I think ClickBank pays about every 2 weeks. You just need to look it up. There's different ways that they can pay you. So you just promote this ugly looking link here, and that's how you will get paid when someone buys through that link. And I'm sure you're thinking, like a lot of people do, okay, it's great to have a product. How the hell do I get people to that without paying for traffic? Or, how do I get someone there to look at it in the first place? It's okay to get paid $250 a sale, but how do I get someone there? Well, sit in your seat, stay tuned. I'm going to go into that shortly. So we're going to choose the Digi World of Warcraft guides. The reason I'm choosing that is because if you have a look here, it has a resource or an affiliate page which gives you a lot of content that you can use to promote this. So if you have a look here, this is the affiliate page. Why promote this product? Linking instructions. Even if you want to do pay-per-click, they even have a free trial page which you can promote with your affiliate link in that. And if people buy from that, you're credited with the sale and get paid. Articles, blog posting, newsletters, direct affiliate linking policy for pay-per-click. Everything that you need, they've got here to make it easier for you to make a sale. You make a sale, so do they. So the source of traffic that we're going to use is Facebook. Now, a lot of people will tell you to go and spam your links. Don't do that. You might make the odd sale. You'll probably get blocked. You'll piss a lot of people off. And if you want to do this for the long term, it's the last thing you want to do. So what we're going to do now, we're not going to plaster things all over our wall, so don't worry about that. So we're going to go down here to groups. We just typed in World of Warcraft. And as you can see, look at these groups. World of Warcraft. Private group, 83,000 members. This one, 61,000 members. This one, 13,000 members. This one here, 123,000 members. Now, don't jump the gun and go in there and spam your link. As I said, you'll get banned, you'll get blocked. And if you're going to use this as a source of traffic to make money, you blow it if you do that. You just blow it. So be patient. Just watch step by step till the end of the video so that it all makes sense and you don't do things that are going to jeopardize your income. At the moment, Facebook is really loving groups. It used to be pages. They're a thing of the past now. And Facebook are actually really promoting groups. It's a really powerful way. But what we're going to do, we're going to create our own group. Because the power of our group, where we can promote anything we like, it's ours. We have total control over it. So we're going to set up our own World of Warcraft group. Look, it's really simple. To create a group, you go up here to the plus symbol, create, and we'll go down, create a group. What you want to do, though, when you're creating a group, is you want to have the keyword, and in this case, World of Warcraft. So you might call it World of Warcraft Tips. If that's gone, World of Warcraft Tips 101. World of Warcraft Tips. So you just keep adding some things in it until you get one that's used. And you have the privacy. Choose privacy, you have it public. So that would be the name of the group. Now, you don't need to, you want to put a cover picture up here. You don't need to have your face there, you know, and set it up so that it's really easy for people to use. Now, you want to provide great value in this group, because these groups, you can make 5-6 figures out of them just by giving great value content, and then, you know, with your links to your here's a group I've recently set up. It's got some member requests there at the moment, but if you have a look, you can put links in there, how to get started, welcoming people, and it really is powerful, and you really can generate a lot of money from a group done properly. So the way to do this is you need to keep engagement going. And look, Facebook will promote your group. Once it can see it's got engagement, people are engaged, people are commenting, you're posting regularly, Facebook will actually promote it for free for you. And on those pages, people then just start adding themselves because it's suggested to them. It's in their niche, their interest. It's shown to them. Because Facebook has an incredible power of being able to serve something up to people, an interest to people that's relevant to them. You can see I've got a few people wanting to join, and I have an approval. You know, they don't automatically get approved. I like to have a look and approve people so they don't come in there and spam. And I've got a couple of questions. This group is strict no spamming. It means if any messaging trying to sell them products or posting product links in your post, you'll be banned. No questions asked. They have to agree to those questions before they're approved. If they don't answer the questions, I just don't approve them. So pretty straightforward. But as I said, Facebook will start to serve it up to people so that they can actually apply to join your group. As you can see, I've just clicked on Discover here, and you'll see Suggested for You. And this is what will happen for you when you start to get traction and engagement. Facebook will start to suggest groups to you, and that's how, not that we want you to get suggested groups, but your group will start to be suggested to other people. And that's how you'll grow your group organically. And if you're worried about where you're going to get content, just go to Google and type in World of Warcraft tips. And you can go through here and you can find blog posts, you can find lots of articles. And then what you do, and also using what's on your resources affiliate page, you can just click on one of these articles, rewrite it, model it, rewrite it so that it's your own. Put some text in, take some text out, change words around so that it's unique and that it's your own. Copy and paste, basically. Now, once that you're starting to get momentum, engagement, then you can start to put your links in here. You can also, if you're using YouTube and you're putting up YouTube videos, you can post in here the links to your YouTube videos. But let it get some traction first before you do that. Otherwise, Facebook will do the opposite. They'll penalise you. So the important thing is that you want to organically grow your group. Just work on growing your group. Don't worry about trying to make affiliate commissions in the beginning. More important to grow your group, and then as it grows and gets momentum, then add your affiliate links. Because when it gets momentum, the algorithm, Facebook's algorithm, will keep pushing it and it will start to grow faster and faster. So a suggested way there would be give value once a week, say 3 times. Once a week, give value, and then another post with engagement, and then maybe once a week, post a link to your affiliate product. But only after you've built it to, a good level of subscribers. And Facebook recently added some more stuff. You can have a look down here on the left-hand side of the column that's got insights. You can look at your growth, how you're going with your engagement, memberships, and it will give you an overview and rank how you're actually going with those. Now, if you actually go back into ClickBank, you'll see there are 2 products that you could promote around Warcraft, the World of Warcraft. So you could, once you've built your group, you could post once a week and with an article and a link to that, and then you might promote the next product the next week. It's really powerful. Facebook are really pushing Facebook groups. All right, well, that's how you could make $150, $200 a day online with no website, no money, even if you're new and dead broke. If you've got value from the video, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon and give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. If you've got questions, ask questions in the comment section below. I always ask them. And if you wanted to see how I make $1,500 a day, click the link in the description below.